Today's video, I'm going to talk about 90% of traders failing, how you can take the steady approach, and how you can become part of the 10% that succeed over time. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. There's this common fallacy, there's this get-rich-quick scheme idea of trading in stocks, and I really think that that is one of the worst approaches you can take to trading. We mentioned this statistic, you'll hear it from me, you'll hear it from all stock traders out there about the 90% that fail, and I really think that one of the biggest reasons 90% of traders fail is that get-rich-quick mentality, and the idea that just because you've got a laptop, a couple $100 and a brokerage account, you're going to be a millionaire overnight. It doesn't work that way. Trading, maybe somewhere, somebody has managed to do it in a couple months, but realistically, this is a multi-year journey. You've got to learn millions of different facets of information. You've got to get experience in the trenches trading every day. And then after time, after learning all these things, after getting that experience, then you'll start profiting small. Then you can start scaling up in your size and ideally building those profits over the time. But, if you're here looking to, make 10 grand next month, it's not the way to go. You're probably better off buying a lottery ticket or going to the casino, because the truth is your odds, as terrible as your odds are buying a lottery ticket, your odds of being a new trader and making 10 grand this month are probably better with the lottery ticket. There's several things you need to do. You need to start out with that long-term mindset. Go to SteadyTrade.com. We've got the SteadyTrade Podcast where we talk about this all the time. The reason we called it SteadyTrade and not the Get Rich Quick podcast was we started the podcast with the whole idea that you would listen to it over time, multiple years, build your knowledge account and grow, and ideally be that consistently profitable trader over time. Have that long-term mindset and know that maybe it's a month, 6 months, 9 months, a year, 2 years, but there's a journey. You don't expect. It's funny to me that so many people think that they can master this in a month or a few months. Would you expect to master anything in a few months? Whether that be engineering, programming a computer language, building web pages, all of these things, social networking, creating YouTube videos, all of these things that are part of the economy in 2018, no one expects to get to 1 million followers on YouTube in a month. It just doesn't happen that way, but for some reason, stock trading attracts that type of mindset. So look to get a little bit better every day. Look to learn something every day. Build that watch list, do your scans, use paper trading to test these things. Don't risk your real money on day one. That is a very irresponsible way to going into trading. It's just like your first day of medical school going out and operating on someone. No one would ever think of doing something like that. If it was your first day of electrical engineering school, you wouldn't go wire an office building. You would never consider doing that right away. So use the StocksToTrade paper trading module, use the pre-built scans that we have to test, learn your skills, and then track. Ultimately, there is no instructor. That is one of the bad things about StocksToTrade, is there's no one to hold you accountable. You need to track, you need to have your process. Now, on that note, if you're looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get access to somebody that's been in the trenches for 10 years, took this long mindset, you can check out StocksToTrade Pro. That is a mentorship program where you're with me every day, twice a day in live webinars where we're doing exactly this, the steady approach, the consistently profitable trader approach. We don't talk about making $1 million today. We talk about learning the skills to get you to the point where you can make $1 million over time. And just like learning any skill, you build upon other skills. You learn chart patterns, you learn how to interpret news, you learn how to use technical indicators, and you get a little bit better each day. So be for sure, If you want to learn how to learn how to stock trade, don't delve in with real money right away. Start having that long-term mindset. Look to paper trade, or if you want to trade for real, use small size. Even if you've got $20, $30, $50,000 worth to trade, if you're new to these penny stocks, it's very dangerous to jump in with real money. So it can be done. It can't be done overnight. Like anything, it's very difficult and it will take time. But have that long-term process, have that long-term mindset. Check out the SteadyTrade Podcast. And also, if you're looking to really hone your skills and shorten your learning curve, check out StocksToTrade Pro. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.